Every day I'm hustling. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. I got a bunch of cardboard to take off and even got some more to take off. I need to save some of this cardboard. I got to mail some stuff, get some stuff together for upcoming event in July. Oh, I didn't realize you were standing there. I'm talking to myself as usual. The only problem is I don't have my helmet on. So, you watching Blue Bike and Noise channel with an episode of Dickin around in here, the shed. Run the intro and we'll dive into it. I got some stuff from Italy. Well, I got some big boxes over there, and unlike Traveling Tall, I'm not sponsored by these people, so I bought it myself. It's from Italy, because it's Fragile. Must be Italian. I'm so funny, I killed myself. Not really. I'll tell you a little hint what's in the box. I gotta take off this first. God, that one's in there. It's pretty tight. Come on, man. It's tight so it won't rattle. I gotta hang this back up later. What's in these boxes from Italy? Because it's Fragile. So let's find out. I bet you know what's in it, because I done hinted around, and hinted around. I done open it because I'm gonna make sure it is what it is. I got luggage rack dealio. Like I said, everything's pretty wrapped up pretty good. I might need them. I mean, really good. They got everything. And this is from TCMT. I bought it off eBay. You can't find a tour pack. I mean, if you look at these other people like Avan Black and Lucky, you know, you got a Vivid Black, so you don't have to worry about getting it painted. For about half the price of these brand name companies, probably getting it from the same place. Like, you know, I'm not going to mention no name, but they're pretty. So it comes in this one. I got a. What the world? How's that work? These look like little. Oh, okay, that's just already got the bigger boats. Hold this on and hold the tour pack on. That's your backrest for it. Excuse me. So, what's in this one? But it's Fragile. Must be Italian. I love that show. Like I said, more good packaging. Get rid of that. Like I said, this is a nice soft cover. You know what you could use this for? Covering up stuff, putting stuff in it. So this is a tour pack, if you didn't guess what it was, because I'm a tourer and I like my tour pack. And if you ever use one, you would too. Of course, I didn't get the top piece, the luggage part. I might later on down the road, and I might not. Well, this sucker's nice. Nice. You could bought it everything with the tour pack part, the luggage rack metal part on it. But some of them had, well, if the hose for your speakers, if you're running that lower piece, which I'm not, And this is the only one I found that didn't have that hole in it. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm a fabricator, if you didn't know. Alright, first problem solved. I'm going to use these 1/4 bolts that I got and some Loctite. And I'm going to make a plate or square out of some metal I got over there, 1/8 thick. I think that'd be strong enough to hold it together, support it. I mean, it is going to be supported on that. And all the plate does, it sits on that little square right there. That square right there. So I run the hose there. Alright. That should be okay. Latch works good. Oh, and we did get keys. You got 3 keys. Wow. Alright, that's a good deal. Alright, what do we want to do next? YouTube,
how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for some dead cats. Is this the legendary Mr. G?
Yeah, what y'all left of him?
What left of you? You still snowed in?
Yeah, I'm out here washing the salt off my truck. It's about 40 degrees. It's warm enough to ride a motorcycle, but you can't get one out of here. Looks like the last guy, yeah.
Man, we'll holler at you later. Hey.
All right.
All right, we'll see. All right, bye. Well, we interrupted this episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed to talk to Mr. G. You don't get lost on the G, you know. No, I just don't know what I'm saying. Well, back to it. I got to figure out what I got to do here. All right, here's where we at. I got a drill. I separated it so it'd make it a little easier and wouldn't put a strain on the hinges. So, let's hope these holes is right. Let me measure something. I'm double thinking of it. Ooh, that scared me. My mic fell off. Alright. From the top of that, it's a little over 1.1/8. Top of that is 1.1/8. It's got one on. Alright, so there's 2 holes are marked kind of like for holes, as you see, where my thumb's at. So let's just hope those are right. Deep breath. You fix a screw up $300 if you're wrong. Graffiti. Could I be? I tell you. Well, we got 2 down, 1 to go, and they all seem to be pretty right. Hey, might be my lucky day. Let me get the bolts for them. I know I said bolts, but I meant these nuts. I think about it. I mean, is the fit and finish of this. I don't like that. I wish Lucille was here to look at hers. But really, this thing sitting on there, I don't know how to fix it, because maybe that's just the way it looks. Because if I turn this up here, that thing, that little, I mean, I can move it down that much finger. and it'll be touching the lip. And maybe that's what we need to do. Shoot. That's about what it needs all the way down. Shoot. Shoot. But that would bring this bolt down here. I'm just gonna leave it. It is what it is. I don't know how to fix it. The finish could probably be better, molded better. I believe this is gonna rip here because it's nothing. You get what you pay for and you don't throw a fit, right? Alright, be prepared to make some adjustment. Be prepared to be amazed at my fabrication skills. What I did, I used my tool I got from Harbor Freight, McGuirean. You can get yours at Harbor Freight. Use me as a influencer code. Tell them you the Blue Biking Door said to get one of these if you get one of them, and with a rasp thing on it, it really works. Without another, you're just gonna have that because there's a lip thing that comes from this that just sets on. So I guess it's just the way it's made. But by moving it down too, I got it closer in. Well, I said I did. Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, if you want to be picky, it's a $300 tour pack. What do you expect? I expect it to be better than this. It's not bad. It's just not high quality, but I think it is. I mean, it's gonna work. What I'm gonna use it for. Moving right along, get the bottom of the tool pack. Let's see how big a mess we can make out of this. I'm gonna use this metal. I got from MetalDepot.com. Not a sponsor of me. I bought it myself. But if Metal Depot wants to sponsor me, because it's easy, it's cheaper and easier to shop with them. And this will give me the support I need. I believe that'll work. Hey, I get to use my new location of my drill press. I can move that up some probably. Let's see. Select my proper size drill bit. That looks to be it, just by eyeballing it. Get your Carter Pete in the key. Give it a little ugga-duggas, ugg, and a dugga. Turn your light on so you can see what you're doing. Get your metal. And a little bit of Tap Magic, not sponsored. And away we go. No, we won't. We need to raise the table up some. Come on, raise up. Too far. Tighten that back down. Ugh. Get you in the right hole. Raise it up. Turn it on. And drill. Easy peasy. Can you see? You looking on my shoulder? Can you see? One hole. Just like that, we drilled 4 holes. Alright, we bought out of batteries on this one. Boy, this sucker's... Well, these batteries probably old as the heels. But I got my bolts in. Like I said, you got a lot of adjustment on this. You know, if you had a tall person or a skinny one. Backrest deal. So I'm gonna try to hold a wrench and tighten these up. Let's wish me luck. Don't worry. Alright, we got those installed. I think it'll be alright. You get what you pay for and you don't throw a fit. You forget this stuff, and let's don't even go into that. Alright, let me go find them lights that goes on the bottom. We'll hook lights up that just glow. I'm not going to do like, not right now. We will eventually. More lights, the better you can see. Like people can see you anyway. Well, I got those lights on, and lucky, when I got Lucille tour pack, I got it off of eBay too, but I paid $1,000 for it. It had chrome lenses, but it's color match, billet blue. And I changed over to these lights, which is just smoke running lights. And then I went to, I believe I got them from Eagle Lights. That's run and turn and run and turn. Battery change. Hey, you ain't got your sweet, they also good for holding up stuff. Sweetpatina.com. Use pudding code PFS64 to get a 15% discount. Don't lose that screw. Oh, that screw goes. I can't believe my luck that those went back so easy. Just got to tighten them up now. Get my Phillips head screwdriver. You know how I know it's my Phillips head screwdriver? First, because it's a Phillips head. That's a full way. And it's got my name on it. Never gets old. Not to me, it don't. Not to y'all. Let's put this. Well, there you have it. I put it together. Yay me. I make it all a simple job hard. So let's get a look at with the Mistress. It's now a touring machine. Circus. With her custom Apex paint job, tour pack, saddlebag lights. I think she looks pretty dang good for my Mistress. Oh, Black Betty. Yes, sir. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. I got 2 road glides that can tour and go places and have fun on, sound good, and I'm just as happy as a pig in mud. I need to put, I don't know, I gotta come up with a new name. I was putting blue bike door on here when I'm riding a black bike. This don't look good. This is just gonna be, I don't know. I'm gonna be a road glider. Road glide door. It's installed. Oh, I like it. And it wasn't so bad. I see some, I'm gonna look and see how different. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Fit can be a little, it's a little off. Finish is pretty good as far as, or I didn't scratch it up and crap. I tried. Man, I just can't win for losing. Anyway, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button over here, and I gotta go make some calls to FedEx and find out where my package at. Later.